Today we're making raw pad thai. You're going to roll it out. You're going to roll it out quite thick. So this is all part of the flavor layering that. Some oil. Delicious seasoning, because the soy chunks themselves don't have much flavor. To the middle, and that's your first one. And now we come to your viewer question. It comes out in long strips like noodles. Coriander, also known as some chopped white cabbage. And it tastes nice as well, because the more colourful it looks, the more appealing it is. I hope you enjoyed today's program. You've been watching Eat Good. Thank you for joining me. See you next time. Bye.